Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Govindam Adipurusam Tamaham Bhajami Govindam Adipurusam Tamaham Bhajami. Somebody help me. Yes. So, we are interested in capturing the original person. We are not interested with any subordinate. Govindam Adipurusam. But if one can capture the original person, then he captures everyone. Just like the same example, in the Vedas it is said, in the Upanishad, Jasmin Vijnate Sarvamevam Vijnatam Bhavanti. If you can understand the Supreme Personality of God, or the Absolute Truth, then you understand everything. There is no need of understanding separately. Jasmin Vijnate Sarvamevam Vijnatam Bhavanti. Similarly, in the Bhagavad Gita also, it is said, Jang labdha chaparang labhang mannate nadhikang tataha Jasmin sthite guru napi dukkhena na vichal. Now, we are, everyone, searching after some standard of life where we will have no anxiety. That is the aim of everyone. Why you are struggling? You are trying to approach a certain point. Just like two parties playing on football, they are each one of them trying to approach the goal. That is victory. So, everyone is trying to gain something according to different position, according to different idea. Not everyone is searching after the same thing. Somebody searching after material pleasure, somebody searching after intoxication, somebody searching after sex, somebody is searching after money, somebody is searching after knowledge, somebody is searching after so many things. But there is one thing. If we can get that, attain to that perfection, then we shall be satisfied and we shall say that we do not want anything. Samin kitāthosmi barang na jāti. There are many instances. So there is like that, and that is Krishna. If you can simply understand Krishna, then your knowledge is perfect. You understand everything. You understand science, you understand mathematics, you understand chemistry, physics, astronomy, philosophy, literature, everything. It is so nice. So, Bhagavad says therefore that Samsiddhi Haritosana, whatever department of knowledge or whatever department of activities you are engaged in, it doesn't matter. But if you can find out the Supreme by your pursuit of knowledge, that is your purpose. You are a scientist, all right, it doesn't matter. By your scientific research work, you find out the Supreme, then it is your purpose. You are a businessman, with your money, just find out the Supreme. You are a lover, just find out the Supreme lover. You are after taste, aesthetic or atheistic, not aesthetics, sense, taste, beauty. If you find out the Supreme, your searching after beauty will be satisfied. Everything. Krishna, that is Krishna. Krishna means all attract. You are searching after something. If you find Krishna, then you will see, yes, your goal is attained. Therefore his name is Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.